Hello student, welcome to my channel Learn More Maths by Varakumar. Today we are going to solve a problem from the chapter progression section. First problem student. So see what he is asking to find us. Fill in the blanks in the following table given that A is the first term, D is the common difference and AN the nth term of the AP. Student, here he has given a tabular form in the first question. There are 5 bits in the first question. So he has given like tabular form, but I have written like this student. So he has given some terms. Here he is asking to see here in the first one he has given A is equal to 7, D is equal to 3, N equal to 8, AN is equal to how much? Student, before going to solve these problems you must have clear idea about the terms. So see student, already he has given in an AP, in an arithmetic progression. So small a is called the first term. He is saying A is first term student, already you know it. So D is the common difference, small d is the common difference, small d is common difference. So and also he is saying that AN is the nth term, AN is the nth term of an AP. So you must have clear idea about the terms. Small a is the first term, D is the common difference, AN is the nth term. So we have AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. This is the formula student, nth term. It is also known as the general term. Sometimes it is also known as the last term. You have to remember all those words. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So this is nth term. A is the first term. So D is the common difference. So here suppose if I want to find the third term, it can be written as A3. So A3 can be written as A plus 2D. Suppose if I want to find the 10th term, it is denoted by A10. A10 is equal to A plus 9D. So in the same way, if I want to find the 20th term, A20 is equal to A plus 19D. So these things you have to remember student before going to solve the problems what he has given in the first question. This is the first one student. A is equal to 7, D is equal to 3, N is equal to 8, AN is equal to how much he is asking. So in an AP solution, how can we find C student? Solution in an AP, in an arithmetic progression. AP is what student? Arithmetic progression. A is equal to 7 given, D is equal to 3, N is equal to 8. He has given to us student. These values he has given. He is asking to find us AN. So we have AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So we have to substitute all the values. So N value is 7, that is A7. A plus A value is 7 plus again N minus 1. So sorry, N value is 8 student. So A plus A is 7 plus N minus 1, that is 8 minus 1 into D value is 3. Just simply have to substitute the values. So 7 plus 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 into 3 is 21. 7 plus 21 is 28. That's all student. This is AN, that is A8. This is the first bit. Next we have to solve second bit. So see student what he has given in the second bit. A is equal to minus 18, N is equal to 10, AN equal to 0, D is equal to how much? He is asking to find us the common difference. So he has given what he has given. See, in an AP again, in an arithmetic progression. So A is equal to minus 18, comma N is equal to 10, comma AN is equal to 0. These things he has given to a student. These values he has given. So now we have to take AN equal to 0. So AN is equal to 0. So from this, how can we write AN? A plus N minus 1 into D. A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 0 he has given. Just we have to substitute A and D value to find, just we have to substitute A and N value to find D value. So here A is equal to minus 18 plus N minus 1, N is equal to 10 student, 10 minus 1, right, D is equal to 0. So now take minus 18 to the right side. Here 10 minus 1 is 9. 9d is equal to minus 18 becomes plus 18. 0 plus 18 is 18. So now d is equal to 18 divided by 9. Take 9 to the right side. Here it is multiplying, it divides. So 9 ones and 9 twos. So d is equal to 2. He is asking to find us d value in the second one. So next we have to find third bit. Student, next this is the third bit. A is equal to, he is asking to find us d is equal to minus 3, n is equal to 18, an is equal to minus 5. So in third bit we have to find the value of a. So see student, in an AP again, so in an AP, so d is equal to minus 3 he has given, n is equal to 18 he has given, so an is equal to minus 5. These things he has given to us, these values student. So he is asking to find us a value. So by taking an is equal to minus 5, so an can be written as a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 5. So we have to substitute n and d values to get a value. So write a as usual student. N value is 18 here. So 18 minus 1 into d value is minus 3, which is equal to minus 5. So a plus 18 minus 1 is 17 student. 17 to 3. 17 3s are 51. But minus is there, it becomes minus 51 is equal to minus 5. Now take minus 51 to the right side. A is equal to minus 5 plus 51. So a is equal to, we can get plus 46 student. Plus 46. So this is a value. So next have to solve fourth bit student. So in the fourth bit what he has given, see here, a is equal to minus 18.9, d is equal to 2.5, n is equal to how much, an equal to 3.6 he has given. So he is asking to find us n value student. Again in an AP, in an arithmetic progression, so he has given a is equal to minus 18.9, a is equal to minus 18.9, d is equal to 2.5, and an equal to 3.6. an is equal to 3.6. a, d and an has given. So we have an is equal to 3.6, but we know an can be written as a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 3.6 student. So just we have to substitute a and d values to find n value. So we have a is minus 18.9 plus n minus 1 into d value is 2.5, a is equal to 3.6. So take minus 18.9 to the right side student. Here on the left hand side 2.5 into n minus 1 is equal to 3.6 plus 18.9. So right is 2.5 into n minus 1 is equal to, so 18 plus 3 is 21 student. 21 plus 1.5, 22.5. Here we can get 22.5. So n minus 1 is equal to 22.5 divided by 2.5. So 9 times we can cancel student. N minus 1 is equal to 9. N minus 1 is equal to 9. Take minus 1 to the right side. N is equal to 9 plus 1. Therefore n is equal to 10. So this is a fourth bit student. These all problems depends upon the nth term of an arithmetic progression. an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So next student, this is the fifth bit in first problem. A is equal to 3.5, d is equal to 0, n is equal to 105. Find a and nth term he is asking to find a student. So how can we find solution? See here solution. So in an AP, in an arithmetic progression, so he has given a is equal to 3.5, comma d is equal to 0, comma n is equal to 105. So he has given to us. So he is asking to find us an, nth term. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So just we have to substitute all the values student. N is equal to 105 has given, it becomes a 105 is equal to a plus a value is 3.5 plus n minus 1, that is 105 minus 1 into d value is 0, so is equal to 3.5 plus 105 minus 1 is 104, 104 into 0 is 0 student. Total it becomes 3.5 plus 0, that is 3.5. We get 3.5. So this is the nth term in 5th bit student. These are 5 bits in the first question in 6.2 exercise. So you have to practice after watching total video. Student, if you are watching first time my video, subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends. So we will meet with the next problem in the next video.